Blue house. Students of blue house. Be active. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sit up. Hands side. Hands down. Studies. Attention. Studies. Attention. Cover up. Inside. Hands up. Straight up. Prince. Inside. Hands down. Studies. Attention. Now be ready for next lantern.
Play by USB drive.
Hands over up. Hands side. Hands up. Hands side. Hands up. Stand it ease. Attention. Stand it ease. Attention. Now all of you be ready for our school song. cover up, and side, and up, and side, and down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now I would like to call speakers to give their speech.
Good morning to all of you. As you all know, I am standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of my memorable day. My memorable day was on 2018, 8th of Magh. It was my birthday. I was in my mama house and I woke up in the morning. After wake up, I take a bath and I gone to the temple and I worship the God. After worship the God, I return back my mama house and I celebrate my birthday. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Ashwin sir, teachers, brother, sister, and my dear friends. It's me, Soni Gurung from grade 9, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet story on the topic of the proud rose. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful rose plant in a garden. One rose flower on the plant was proud of its beauty, but it was disappointed that a cactus was growing next to the, it was going to an ugly cactus. Every day the rose would insult the cactus about its look, but the cactus would stay quiet. One summer, a well in the garden dried up, and there was no water for the plants. The rose slowly began to wilt. The rose saw sparrow dip his beak into cactus for some water. The rose felt ashamed for making fun of cactus, but because it was in need of water, the, the cactus helped him by giving him some water, and the kind cactus and the rose became friends in the end. Moral of the story is never judge someone by the way they look. Thank you.
Hand side, hands up, hand side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now I would like to call our vice principal sir to give some information.
Thank you, Srijul. Stand at ease. Attention. Cover up. Hands side. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. So children, this month is going to be over, right? We have got many more programs in coming month, means that is in Phagun. Our first program is Saraswati Puja celebration. So you are preparing for the different events. And next information to you, on the occasion of Saraswati Puja, as usual, Anupam Vidyasadan offers free admission in nursery class. So that facility is only on Saraswati Puja day. That's why remind your neighbors, relatives whose kids are eligible for nursery. They can come to the stall near to the temple, the Saraswati temple, or they can come to school and register their names. And the children who are seeking to get admission in Anupam, they also get a special discount from other schools. If you have got any relatives, you can remind them. This is the message must be broadcasted to your neighbors, relatives, and well-wishers. And very less days are left for Saraswati Puja celebration. Different events will be conducted on that day. We are going to manage very lovely stage. We are going to honor those smart students of Magh 2080. Worship to Saraswati. Then talent hunt. Whatever talent you possess. Students are practicing in different events like dance, songs, speech, or caricature, or whatever they possess, they can show in that main event day. So today is Friday, game for the students. So they have to play a game in systematic order without pushing each other and learn the skills and implement it. Those students who are taking part in those talent hunt competition, they can practice without disturbing others. Is that clear? Attention. Cover up. And side. Clap together. And side. Hands down. Studies. Attention. Now march time.
Play by USB drive.
Please show your optimum discipline. Eh? This is a kind of exercise. Do with full interest. And why did you keep your gap? Your master Magh, please come front a little bit. If there is no sufficient space, you can go back side. Don't turn back.